Here's a question says that when I multiply a number by 32 and then take its square root, the answer is 16. What is the mystery number? So we're going to write it out as it's written. We say when I multiply a number by 32, a number I multiplied by 32. Now if you want to just write it the way it says it, that will be a number times 32 will give us 32. This is totally wrong. In maths, you don't write the unknown x before the actual number, so we're going to turn it around. It's going to be 32x. So let's change this. It's going to be 32x, not x32. Okay, so we go back again, and then we see this. When I multiply a number by 32, now this is the number x. You created this letter here, you decided to choose x. You can choose whatever you like, but it's preferable I will use x. When I multiply a number by 32, I'm multiplying this x by 32. Okay, I multiply a number, an unknown number x by 32, and then take its square root. If you want to take its square root, you go this way, you take its square root. Okay, you've just taken its square root. Let's just paint that up or highlight that. You take its square root. So what happens after you take its square root and then take its square root? The answer is 16. Is equal to 16. You get 16. Beautiful. Now, what is the mystery number? You were looking for the x. So therefore, we're writing this. You've got this. You've got your 32. You've got your x. And your answer is 16. What is the mystery number? Now, to get this mystery number, you need to remove all this. First of all, you need to remove this. This is your square root sign here. You need to remove the 32 and you'll be left with the x. If we look at it very well, we have this as number 1, the square root sign. You've got 32 as number 2, and the third is your mystery number. So we need to remove number 1 and number 2 so that we can get a mystery number. Now, your square root sign here needs to be moved. It needs to be moved from this side here to the other side here, across the equal sign. You got your equal sign here. We need to move it. Now, when we do that, I'm going to take this one off here and this one off here. Now, when we do that, something happens. If you take off the square root sign to the other side, this happens. Now, the square root sign goes to the other side and it gives you a square there. You're going to square everything. So when the square root sign leaves one side and moves to the other side, it moves from here to there. It will change to square. It's going to square everything out here. Good. Now, that will give you what? You have your 32x will give you 16 times 16. That's what this is. 16 multiplied by 16. It means 16 in 2 places. So 16 times 16 is what? Let's quickly do it. 16 multiplied by 16. 6 times 6, 36. 6 keep 3. 6 times 1, 6. Plus 3, 9. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 1, 1. When you add that up, get 6 there. And 9 plus 6, we get 15. And 2. 2, 5, 6. So here, 16 squared will give us 2, 5, 6. Good. Now, to get this unknown, we need to kick out the 32. 32 is multiplying x. When it moves to the other side of the equal sign, it will be dividing. So you're going to be left with your x, which is your mystery number, which you're looking for. And you will move this one here to the other side of the equal sign. And because 32 is multiplying here, when it gets to the other side, it will do what? It will divide. You got your 32 there. Let's just highlight that one here. 32. It's going to be dividing. Now you're going to have what? X will be equal to what? Let's do some dividing on the other side. But first of all, we're done with this. Okay. So we will have 2, 5 6. We're dividing by 32. Okay, let's try a 4. Now if you use a 4 here, 4 here will give us what? Will give us 8. 4 in 25, 4 in 24, that will be 6. Okay, so remember that's 24. Remember 1, 16. 4 and 16, we have a 4. Good. Now we have 8 and 34. That will be yes, 8 in 64. Now that will be 8 here. 1, 8 times 8, 64. So our answer here will be 8 over 1, and 8 over 1 is 8. So 256 divided by 32 will give us 8. Now the mystery number we're looking for here is 8. Beautiful.